Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video with me, Ryan Does Roblox, and today we are going to be robbing just the jewelry store, the bank, all that good stuff. So we are just going to get the jetpack. So let's just make our way there. Apologies for the lag, it's just because, you know, let's just exit this, and then we should be gold. So one thing about a Tesla is it's like really super buggy. Like not buggy, but buggy. Oh my good golly gosh. So this is Sarah, this is the person I'm going to be doing it with. There are no words for what is happening right now. It's just spazzing out. Yep. We did. Well, this is one way to get from A to B. What a ride. So let's just go back to that place. Let's just go back to the airport. Well, not the airport, to the jetpack. We're just stuck. So this video is going to be all about this. Just stuck on a ledge. No. 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 Get out of there. Get out. There's no way we're going to be stuck on a bridge. So let's just get up here. Stop it. Stop it. Yes. Stop it. Stop it. Good. There she goes. She says, "Hi, YT." She did a video yesterday, so go check out her channel. I might be able to link it in the description if I know how to. So yeah, basically comment down below if you guys have the Cybertruck and how annoying it is. Yep. Make sure to like and subscribe, hit the bell notification. She said it. And also comment down below what color your Cybertruck is, what rims you have on it, what username, and I will heart your comment just so we can. This is not working. So let's just get up here. We might not even be able to rob anything today with how buggy this is. We might be able to rob the power plant. Now that might be something we do. So let's just go to the power plant. And what just happened? So let's just. Oh no, I got the train money. No. I still got my train money. I totally forgot about that. So, off camera, I robbed a train. I hate this so much. I like it and I don't like it. I like it because of the part. Just anything about it is just awesome. Like, I like the design of it. I just don't like the way it lags out. I hope it doesn't do this in real life. I hope it doesn't spin you halfway across the world and just... Are you serious? This is going to be hard. Did we just witness a cop trying to get us? Yes, we did. Best thing about the Cybertruck... Ah! Best thing about the Cybertruck is it can go over cars, which is absolutely lethal. So we just witnessed a cop just trying to get us there. So let's just... And I can drift with it as well, which is swag. We are not going to get arrested by that cop. Not today, buddy boy. Not today. Let's get the mini. Let's get the mini. Look how cute it is. Look at this cute little thing. I love it. I love this cute little mini. So let's just go and pick up Sarah again. She's gonna get herself arrested. Sarah, why'd you go and have to do that? I know she's gonna be watching the video, because she loves my videos and she always watches them, you know. So Sarah is pretty much like my best friend. We did have a thing going before, but that didn't work out. So let's just go and meet her at the wall. Probably doesn't expect us coming. Look at this. Look at this. I'm just eating cookies. Don't worry about me. Cookies. Why is it every car seems to bug out? You guys ever had that? Like with a Tesla, it bugs out really badly. With the Mini, it seems to bug out. Why are you eating grass? Yeah, it's a Mini. Don't judge. I had to get away. I had to pick any random car and I had to escape. So Sarah, you're riding in a Mini. Yeah, a Mini. So I thought we would be able to just... like escape. You know, that cop got Sarah. I'm gonna hunt down and oof that cop because he got my best friend. And he made me angry. And we're gonna go rob the power plant. If I still don't have the 4,000, yes I do. I have to. Oh my god. I have to turn this in. Otherwise I'm gonna be stuck with it. I hate this. I hate the way it does this. not fair. I don't know if it's because I'm lagging because of the recorder I have. There we go, some bad lag there. Oh, there's a Tesla Cybertruck. And it's owned by a cop. No. No siree. No sir. You just go. Friggin' stupid thing. I can hear the cop. Yep, there it is. Ah! Mother trucker. Big rip on our side. That wasn't good. So, yeah. Don't get arrested. Please don't. Well guys, that is going to wrap it up for today. Sorry we didn't do much. I blame the lag. So, basically, it's over. Too much lag. The video will still be out there. So, yeah. Let's just leave it off here. And hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out, my dudes. Let's just turn this off.